Looking for the best value? Before you buy any camera drone under $200, you need to see this video right now today. In this video, I've picked the best camera drone under $200 of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Enco drone with screen controller. This S116 model is purpose-built to deliver maximum enjoyment and stress-free navigation for pilots across all skill levels, making it a standout choice in today's market. Featuring an integrated screen right on the remote controller, it eliminates the common frustration of connecting a smartphone, allowing you to launch into the sky instantly. You'll receive 2 high-endurance batteries in the box, effectively doubling your total airtime for long-range exploration and perfect overhead photography. The inclusion of active obstacle avoidance provides a critical safety net, preventing accidental collisions when flying through tighter spaces or indoor rooms. Its one-key takeoff and landing system simplifies the entire flight process, making it accessible for absolute novices to handle with complete professional confidence. This drone truly bridges the gap between toy and tool with ease, offering a reliable platform for anyone wanting to learn the art of flight safely. Next, we have the Troards foldable drone with camera. This sleek TT-19 aircraft expertly fuses high-end technical features with an incredibly accessible user interface, making it a top choice for both novices and veterans. It is equipped with a high-definition camera that features remote angle adjustment, allowing you to capture stunning stills and immersive videos with absolute ease. Weighing comfortably under 180 grams, this compact foldable unit is perfect for worldwide travelers because it requires no official registration with aviation authorities. The onboard obstacle sensing system provides a vital layer of protection by preventing accidental crashes during complex flights in tight quarters. Driven by high-efficiency brushless motors, the TT-19 offers a quiet, smooth flight experience along with significantly improved battery longevity for your outdoor adventures. It represents a fantastic value for anyone seeking a portable, reliable drone that can go anywhere without any legal complications or bulky equipment. At number 3, the Apiskuk RC drone with dual camera. This innovative TT drone offers a deeply immersive visual journey thanks to its integrated 4.92-inch high-definition controller display, which provides lag-free video transmission. It features a versatile dual-camera system with a powerful 50x digital zoom and electronic image stabilization, ensuring your aerial footage is always sharp and cinematic. Navigation is simplified through intuitive gesture controls, allowing you to trigger the shutter with just a simple hand movement while the aircraft is hovering. The heavy-duty brushless motors offer superior resistance against strong winds, while the wraparound 360-degree propeller guards ensure the aircraft stays safe during indoor testing or tight maneuvers. With features like one-key landing and acrobatic 360-degree flips, it delivers a perfect mix of technical performance and pure entertainment value for the whole family. This all-encompassing kit is essentially a professional aerial studio packed into a budget-friendly and durable frame that is built to last. Our fourth pick is the Fakjank drone with camera. The F417 model makes a bold statement with its striking 7-color LED light strips, turning every low-light flight into a spectacular and colorful light show. Perfect for both adults and young hobbyists, it utilizes dual 1080p cameras with a 90-degree rotating lens for flexible framing of your aerial shots. The real-time FPV transmission beams high-quality footage directly to your viewing device, keeping you in the pilot's seat throughout the entire journey. Gravity control and headless mode make steering exceptionally natural, even for those who have never touched a drone controller before today. Its specialized optical flow sensor enables rock-solid hovering stability, which is essential for taking clear, blur-free photos during outdoor family gatherings or sporting events. This colorful drone provides a unique blend of visual flair and technical precision that makes it an unforgettable gift for any aspiring aerial photographer looking for fun and functionality. And for our final pick, the Holystone 4K UHD drone with camera. For pilots who prioritize legal compliance, this Holystone HS700E model is an ideal solution, as it is fully FAA Remote ID certified and compliant with modern regulations. It comes packed with a high-performance 4K UHD anti-shake camera system that offers a 130-degree wide-angle view for capturing sweeping landscapes in crystal clarity. The stable 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures that your live video feed remains clear and free from interference, even at significant distances from the handheld controller. Integrated GPS and GLONASS navigation provide surgical positioning accuracy, enabling the drone to return home automatically if the signal is ever lost or the battery is low. Advanced flight modes like Follow Me and custom waypoints are easily accessible through the Ophelia app for professional-grade recording. This drone is truly a high-tech powerhouse that offers GPS reliability and video quality often reserved for much more expensive aircraft, ensuring complete peace of mind. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.